Hey everyone, this is Mike Hansen from Minecraft AI, here to show you a demonstration of what it means to actually own the hardware that you purchase. I've got my Mark II back here. I've opened it up so you can see I got a little mini HDMI cable hooked up and running to this tiny TV, and I installed a Kodi Media Center on it. I don't have anything currently in here, but I wanted to show what you can do if you have the official Kodi app on an old phone. Then what you can do is hop over here to YouTube and pick a YouTube video, and what you can do is choose to share and play on Kodi. And so now you can watch a YouTube video and kind of cast it to your Mark II and watch it on your TV. Oh, and you can even control it from here, so I can stop it. That's all. Thank you.